Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled peppers with vinegar using an easy method. First, choose your favorite fresh peppers and wash them well. Next, sterilize your glass jars and lids by boiling them for 10 minutes to ensure food safety. Then, slice your peppers into uniform rings or strips and pack them snugly into the clean, hot jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Now, let's prepare the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir these ingredients until the salt and sugar dissolve completely. Bring this mixture to a full, rolling boil over medium-high heat. You can also add optional spices like garlic cloves or peppercorns for extra flavor. Once your brine is boiling, carefully pour the hot liquid over the peppers in each jar, making sure they are completely submerged. Leave about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean with a damp cloth and center the new lids before tightening the bands finger tight. For safe long-term storage, process your sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed on a towel or wire rack for 24 hours. Check for proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your delicious pickled peppers in a cool, dark pantry for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.